I got me another project to do. What year is this car, Joey?
78.
78 Grand Prix. Had a 350 and we tore it down. Set it for the drag strip. I gotta fix this window here. It had a Landau top on it, and they bondoed the heck out of it, and it was cracking. So I'm gonna take sheet metal and fill all that in. Overall, it's not a bad car. Has a 9-inch underneath it. The big 9-inch, 11-inch drums on it. Ladder bar setup. It's all set up. Has a full roll cage underneath it. I don't know if you can see that very well. You got the tires back there.
Yes.
So what do you think the plan's going to be? You want to take this motor out and rebuild it?
Motor out, rebuild, punch it out, put it back in.
Then balls the wall.
Ball through the wall.
It's just 350, stock 350. Had double hump heads on it. Single plane Edelbrock car intake on it. Edelbrock car carburetor on it. Not too much. We'll be getting it going by the season, hopefully.
Time.
Yeah, that's all it is. Time and money. But so far, a pretty solid car. I just want to show you my other project. I'm stacking projects up like crazy. Alright, more to come on this one later.